Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is the new vlog that I'm going to share with you this week. This is regarding how we celebrated Father's Day, and Father's Day celebration was arranged by my kids' school. This was performed in Cubbon Park in Bangalore, and there's a small area, as you can see here, which is meant for such private events. You can rent it for birthdays or your special event. Come on, let me show you how we celebrated Father's Day. So this was arranged by Podar Jumbo Kids, and we had lots of fun, lots of games that was arranged. In fact, my husband did perform some sort of cooking with no stove, and he made some yummy, delicious food items. Here he is, my daddy the strongest. Right, now let me show you how the decor was done. It was just simple and very soothing to the eyes, and we had different stations in terms of artwork, in terms of treasure hunt. A lot of games were arranged, and it was a very beautiful, warm and breezy and cool Saturday, I must say. Although Father's Day was on Sunday, this was done a day before, and you can see the kids all around playing here and there, and they had a great time, and we had a great time looking at them having fun. An entire day with lots of fun, lots of games, lots of masti. And here, so all parents waiting for the event to start. Come on, let's go. And now we went to the art station. Let me show you how this was done. This was a super cool idea, and we totally loved it. We were given the cards as well. We could carry it back home. So as you can see here, the child's feet is dipped in ink, and they're going to print the ink, the footprint of the child on this little card. And the same card is then given to the daddy. The daddy puts his protective hand on the child's feet. It's just a way of expressing love, care, and selfless, unconditional love and protection that a daddy gives his child. Such a thoughtful thing, and we have preserved this, and we're going to show it once my daughter grows up, and she's going to be so happy seeing all the kind of the things that she did as a child. And we loved it, and so many pictures, so many clippings. One crazy day. And now I'm going to show you what my husband did. So they had this concept of cooking without stove, and all the daddies, remember, no mothers, all the mommies were made to sit away, and no mommies are going to help daddies or the kids. So it was completely the daddy-daughter bonding time. So they had to make something without cooking on a stove. So everything is probably just fresh and readily made and super healthy and super nutritious. So we were told you'll have to also mention the nutritional value. So here we go. He made the khakra masala. It was very healthy, and the kids love khakra, so even more sprouts and some fresh vegetables. And he also made mango smoothie. No sugar, no kinds of additional fat or any kind of a junk thing. So everyone loved it. We had a lot of parents coming and asking us what it is and how is it made. Not many knew what or where they can procure khakras. As you can see here, a lot of mommies were actually asking that we can use this as a snack for our kids. Thanks so much. So all in all, I was super proud of my husband. He made it look very nice, and it did taste very nice. And the mango smoothie was all of almonds and raisins and some sabza seeds and honey. We didn't use sugar. and we used honey, and it was super duper tasty. All in all, a great event. We did miss out on the toy train because it was super crowded. So at the end of the day, the school had arranged, little potting activity. So they did give, tiny little pots and made the children put some seed and water them and grow it. And it is growing, so that the kids learn how plants grow. And I think it's a wonderful initiative by the school. We had all in all in a very very lovely day out, I must say. Lovely teachers, lovely staff, and lovely kids. We got to meet all the parents as well. So yeah, happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world. I think they are the superheroes. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.